In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your app or game to the Google Play Store. First, sign up for a Google Play developer account and pay the one-time registration fee. Then, log into the Google Play console and select all apps. Click Create App. Choose a default language, enter your app's name, and specify whether it's an app or a game. You can also set the price and add your contact information. Next, fill in the app's description, upload screenshots, and provide other details to complete your store listing. Build your app as an Android app bundle, also known as an AAB file, and upload it to the Google Play console. Finally, follow the prompts to complete the submission process. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.